And those handcuffs.
All day.
On this.
Lock them on here. Behind the back.
Oh lordy.
Okay. Put them in your front pocket.
Give me one key just in case. I don't want to reach in your fucking pocket.
I'll handcuff them.
Oh, you little fucking okay.
Oh, I can't even move my hands out.
Yeah, you could probably put them on so high. And you put them up so high too, Tristan.
Oh, you're a dickhead. You should put them on different.
No, you gotta do it like that somehow.
Oh, it hurts. Where's the hole? Oh, there it is. Oh, lordy.
The other one's on the top.
It hurts.
Yeah.
Well, it's not like that. If he gets the one off.
Can someone take a little hole?
No.
I can't find the hole.
I can't find it either. You have it upside down.
You kidding me? This is bullshit, man.
He's got another key.
There's no hole. Oh, I see. Oh. Are you kidding? Oh, got it. Twist. Oh my god, it hurts to twist. Why isn't it working?
Watch him drop the key.
You have to pull.
Oh, I got it. Oh, they're so loose now. Oh my god. It hurts so bad. Look at where. Fuck yourself.
Shane Stern.
See if you can get it in the front pocket.
Yeah.
Tristan's got the other one. Back up. Watch him lose the other key.
Why are you putting them so high?
Because he's a dick.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, like halfway up your fucking wrist.
Oh, this is even hard.
Because you're also wearing a shirt.
I didn't almost drop it. It just slid up and it scared the crap out of me.
You put them upside down too. No?
The one has to be like that, and the other one has
How
to be
can
like, I'm gonna
it
try
hurt?
to.
Oh, Shane.
Oh, that's not gonna happen.
Oh! He dropped the key. And I dropped the key. Keys right here. It's all good.
Don't touch the key. Let him do it.
But what's gonna hurt so much when you extend your leg?
Okay, that's not gonna happen.
You're so fucked. You're done.
You're supposed to take off your
Oh,
shoes.
that's so much easier.
Yeah, John.
On. What did I think of that?
He sat there like a just squirming.
You got dents in your foot.
Did you put the key in the hood?
Yeah.
Nice.
I was like, how about this?
Yeah. Oh shit. Put it back in.
Too bad it's impossible to actually fucking.
Oh, they're upside down.
I ashed on myself.
Come on.
Taking a break.
Well, do mess up. Don't mess up. Oh, you dropped the key! Oh, it's gonna suck. Hey, yeah.
Can't get it up.
What are you doing? There's no way now you're gonna get that.
No, I can't find the key. And this is cutting my wrist.
That's fair.
Yeah, it's back in the head. Have fun.
Start over.
keys do you have? Drop the key. Oh, come on.
Oh, freedom.
Freedom, about time. I only dropped the key once. I don't fucked a long time ago.
I already